Hey, what's up guys? Let's make the best dirty rice you've ever had and stop calling it dirty rice if you ain't got no organ meat in it. We're gonna make the dirty from scratch. It only takes about 1 day. So the dirty is composed of 3 pounds of pork butt, 1.25 pounds of chicken gizzard, and 1.25 pounds of pork liver. So for the spice blend, I'm going down with dried bell pepper, minced onion, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, roux, and browning. I'm gonna add some water to taste. Now I'm gonna have the meat in the freezer for 1 hour. I'm gonna take it out and then coat it with the spice paste. We're gonna go straight into a ice cold grinder on the fine plate. Once that's nice and done, we're gonna go ahead into a hot pan and sear them in these little meatball sizes. That way we build some Maillard reaction. We don't crowd the pan and end up boiling the meat. Now that meat has been broken down until its smallest component. We're also gonna mince some parsley and basil, which are some of our herbs, into some duck fat. I'm gonna go in with some bell pepper, both colors, some onion, salt, MSG, Tony's. Now I'm gonna add in my bouquet garni of sage and rosemary. I've got my minced garlic, my parsley basil. Now I'll get a nice fond on the bottom of that pan. I'm gonna deglaze with some chicken stock, add my meat, add the rest of the chicken stock, bring it up, and then we're gonna reduce it till there's no liquid. Finally, we'll make the rice. We'll add meat to rice, thoroughly incorporated, and then we'll go in with some scallion, minced bell pepper, both colors, and then I've added some Tony's, and then we're finally ready to eat.